Welcome back to Elder Care Answers. I'm attorney Doreen Seamon, and we're back with Brian Schnapp and Joe Lombardi, the owners of Reliable Healthcare Solutions. We've been discussing how home care services can be the key to providing the specific care we need in our home or even in an assisted living or nursing home. Brian, can you tell me what inspired you to open your home care service business?
Yes, Doreen. It all started when my family was going through a rough time with my grandmother. She had reached a point where she truly needed around-the-clock care. Although I come from a large family with many people willing to help, we quickly found that there was no way we all could make it happen. As with many families, we were all busy trying to make a living and raise our families. As much as we want to help our loved ones, sometimes there just is not enough resources or enough time in the day. As we were researching our options for care, we quickly realized that this area needs someone they can depend on and trust to come into their home and provide care. Reliable Healthcare Solutions was created out of a pure need of my family. That reflects a pure need of our communities. We hire and train the best caregivers and would not allow anyone into our client's home that we would not allow into our own family's home.
Since you've experienced these issues in your own family, I can see how that experience would make you very sensitive to the stress your clients face every day. What about you, Joe? What inspired you?
Doreen, it started after my wife, Carrie, delivered our second child. Following her surgery, she required stringent home nursing care, for which our health insurance only paid for a few weeks. Luckily for us, Carrie's aunt is a registered nurse, and she was able to train me on how to become a caregiver to help Carrie in her injuries. Another reason for the inspiration for me to start a home health company was when my mother was diagnosed with lung cancer. I too come from a large family, but we realized early that there were not many options outside of our family to help care for my mother.
Wow, I can see how important this is to both of you. If somebody's watching the show right now and they realize they need help, why should they call Reliable Healthcare Solutions, Brian?
Well, Doreen, it's simple. The most important person to us is our client because they have reached out to us for help and truly need our assistance. However, I want to point out that our employees are very important to the success of our company, and we strive to be the best employer to work for in our industry.
Many families are concerned about allowing a stranger to come into their home to assist a loved one. All Reliable Healthcare Solutions caregivers are bonded, insured. They go through a stringent background review, drug testing, reference and employment verifications. As a locally owned company that is not part of a franchise organization, Brian and I have the ability to tailor our services to the needs of our clients throughout all of the viewing area.
That sounds great. I understand how the services you provide can help our community, but I'm sure a lot of our viewers are concerned about the costs of this kind of care. How do people pay for your services?
Well, Doreen, here at Reliable Healthcare Solutions, we have the ability to provide services through various payer sources. We are contracted with the VA to provide services to our veterans. We work with the clients that hold long-term care insurance policies. We are certified with the state waiver program and naturally private pay. Unfortunately, home care services like ours are not a service that Medicare covers.
You mentioned the VA. Let's talk about the Veteran Administration's benefits that are available to our clients, such as homemaker services and the improved disability pension.
Doreen, most of the veterans we assist have their services paid directly by the VA itself. We are able to provide personal care services to those individuals. The process consists of the Veterans Administration contacting us when they have a member that has been identified by their social worker or a physician that they're seeing at the VA.
I'm sure a lot of our viewers weren't aware of the VA Homemaker Services benefit. Typically, I find those who are experiencing these kind of care needs are completely overwhelmed. For our viewers who think they might qualify for it, does Reliable Healthcare Solutions help them qualify for these benefits, or do they have to do this all by themselves?
Well, Doreen, this benefit is primarily initiated at the VA level. However, Reliable Healthcare Solutions gladly assists all veterans and their families through this process. Any way that we can help make the process less stressful and confusing, we will do it.
Well, I know our offices have worked closely together in the past to help our mutual clients get the improved disability pension for wartime veterans. Can you explain more to our viewers about how you've been able to help your clients afford care with this benefit?
Absolutely. One of the most rewarding aspects of working with this little-known benefit known as the Aid in Attendance program is actually letting our veterans and their families know that it exists. This benefit is for the veteran and or their surviving spouse, and this can provide a way for them to help protect their life savings. And this range that this benefit can pay is from $1,056 a month to as much as $1,949 per month. That is tax-free. Sometimes our clients can qualify without doing any additional legal planning, but in other cases we need to refer to them to an attorney like yourself to access the benefit.
Brian and Joe, thanks so much for coming on the show today to explain how services can improve our quality of life. Can you please tell us again how our viewers can contact Reliable Healthcare Solutions for more information?
Sure, Doreen, if they would like more information or if they'd like to set up a time for a free in-home evaluation, they should call us at 304-212-4342. Let us know they saw the show and how we can help them.
Great. And if you didn't catch the phone numbers for either my law office or Reliable Healthcare Solutions, we'll show them again at the end of the show. So grab your pencil and paper. Please stay tuned to Elder Care Answers, and we'll be right back with Nestor, Certified Public Accountant and partner at Toothman Rice.